Well, thank you for joining us here on Wilderness Weather. I'm meteorologist Thomas Gathright here on the evening of April 1st, 2026. Just to follow up on yesterday's video, we now do have a tornado watch that has been issued for much of central Oklahoma, and it extends from I-20 in Texas all the way up towards Wichita and Kansas, and a good portion of the state of Oklahoma under this tornado watch. It was issued about a half hour ago, and it will last until around midnight this evening. And so, what we've got going on is we have a warm front that is pushing northward out of the state right now, and we also have a dry line that is working in here behind these storms, and that's what's causing these storms here to pop up at the moment. And we've got a pretty warm, humid air mass out here in front of it, favorable for these storms to develop. And we have an enhanced risk, which is about a 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Now these storms are going to start out discrete. As you can see, there's kind of some gaps in between these little storms here, which is causing some. They're being able to suck in the warm, humid air coming from the southeast. And this storm here north of Watonga right now is currently warned, and I wouldn't be surprised if this one just north of I-40 is warned, severe thunderstorm warned before too long. Now, if they're going to start out discrete, and that means that the tornado risk is going to be a little higher to begin with. As they move eastward, though, more of these are going to develop, and it's going to work into more of a line as it pushes eastward, and that'll become more of a damage and wind threat. And there's certainly a hail threat with these storms as well. Let's take a look here at this storm in Watauga. Yeah, about an inch and a quarter size hail there with that storm at the moment, and that can be expected with more of these storms as they develop. Thankfully, no tornadoes ongoing right now, but certainly this corridor in here definitely want to monitor for the development of some as we head on over the next few hours. And it looks, but for the Oklahoma City, Norman area, it's looking like around as early as probably 7 Central Time, and it lasts until about midnight is when we really want to monitor for these storms working through the area. And I do want to point out one last thing here. We do have another severe risk on Friday as another trough works in through the area. So we'll be keeping you posted on that. We'll make another video tomorrow evening on that system. Stay tuned. We'll keep you posted throughout the evening as these storms approach the Oklahoma City metro area. Thanks, and have a great and safe evening.